Hi everyone, here's a colorful makeup look I did, starting with the Morphe brush M433. And now I'm picking up the Morphe Color Burst palette 35B, and I will be using the color Pale and blend it on both eyelids. From the same palette, pick up the color Sunshine and blend that one on both eyelids, starting from one corner to the other. Now from that same palette, you're gonna pick up the color Smoothie, and you're also gonna blend that color right underneath the yellow one. Make sure not to completely cover the yellow because we still want to be able to see the yellow peeking through. Remember to keep blending so you won't get any harsh lines, so you won't see where one eyeshadow ends and the other one begins. Now you're gonna pick up the Morphe brush 507. You're gonna use it to blend the Sunshine color right above that Smoothie shade. That way you're able to see the yellow peeking through because it kind of got lost. Now you're gonna pick up the Morphe x Jacklyn palette. And with your index finger, you're gonna grab the color Lolly and put it into both inner corners of your eye. I use my finger just because I feel that it picks up that color better, since it's like a metallic color, and I feel the finger works better than an actual brush, but you could also use a brush. Now you're gonna pick up your Morphe M432 brush, and you're gonna do the same steps you did to your eyelids. You will start with the color Sunshine right underneath your waterline on both eyes. And then what I did is went back into the color Smoothie and also blended that underneath my waterline on both eyes. So I reached for my Morphe 507 brush again, but I found that it was way too fluffy for what I wanted to do. So I reached for my Real Techniques accent brush, and that just blended both Sunshine and Smoothie a lot better than the other brush. Next, I reach for my Sonia Kashuk eyelash curler, and I curl my lashes. Then I reach for my E.L.F. Baked Blush Pintastick and use it as highlight. I always use this blush as highlight. And I put this in my inner corners with the E.L.F. small angled brush. I also reach for the Morphe x Jacklyn Hill palette again, and I use that metallic lolly shade and add just a little bit to the inner corners as well. Add my Maybelline Colossal Volume Express waterproof mascara. The lashes I will be using are my Cara lashes number 523 with my dual glue, and I also use my fingers and my tweezers to put the lashes on. I don't know what this tool is called, but it helps blend your real lashes with the fake ones. That way you won't see where your eyelashes end and where the fake ones begin, basically. I also use the Sephora Kohl pencil in Infinite Beige on my waterline. And using a beige colored pencil or even white, it's really good color to open up your eyes, especially if you have really small eyes. Now for my bottom lashes, I like to use the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara because it's really thin and it really separates the bottom lashes really nice. For my lips, I will be using the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Malice. And I will be using my Morphe 416 brush to clean up the edges of my lipstick. I will be using the NYX Conceal, Correct, and Control palette in medium to do that, but you could use any concealer you have. This is just the one I use. And that is it for this video. Please share, like, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.